Hi everyone. Want to give a quick tour in 360 so you guys can take a look around, see what's going on, but just give you a feel for all of the attendance that we have at this year's IEEE PCA conference in Nashville 2018. So far so good. We're going to have the exhibit hall open for a much longer period since everybody's went through the setup that took place yesterday. And just a couple of highlights to talk about the vendors that are here. So at the Calgary conference last year, there was approximately, or just over 170, I believe 172 exhibitors that we had within that hall. This year they had set up for 180, and we actually had to make more space. So there's 186 vendors and exhibitors within this conference. So it's one of the highest counts that we've had for exhibitors for the IEEE PCA conference. So definitely very exciting for all of us that were on the local committee to work to help make that happen. Definitely a lot of people within the promotion side need to get a lot of credit for getting the word out for great attendance. But I mean, as you can see, there's a wide array of vendors here, sites, things of that nature that's going on as far as what they're representing, what they're showing. How they show it is pretty interesting just from walking around the exhibit hall. So I'm going to try to shut up a little bit and not suck the air out of this conference room by just talking, and let you guys take a look around and just see all of the exhibitors that are here and the different ways that they show off their stuff. One of the points of highlight with regards to the setup that we have here is in the evenings, and actually today there's going to be lunch stations within here throughout the exhibit hall. So it's really nice for the attendants to come in here, grab a bite to eat, refresh a little bit, talk to a couple of vendors, have some business meetings they may have pre-scheduled. So all of that can be done in one place. So there's definitely a level of convenience with having the lunch, and then also kind of I guess I would call it a heavy appetizer kind of dinner tonight, as long as the along with everybody that's coming in for that. There's also the refreshment stations and bar area that they have in the evening as well to basically just to let people relax a little bit and enjoy the show. So as we get to the last row of vendors, I just want to let you know, I hope you enjoyed taking this little tour and looking around at the vendors that are here. And if you weren't able to attend this year, looking forward to seeing you next year. So it's going to be And St. Louis is where the IEEE PCA conference is going to be taking place in 2019. So that'll be at the last week in April. So yeah. So if you weren't here this year, this is definitely what you can expect to see in St. Louis in 2019. So hope you enjoyed the tour. Take care and be safe out there. Bye.